Assalamu alaikum, welcome to the channel Educational Alerts with SR. Here you will get the latest questions of the previous board exam so you can secure 100% marks, and I am sure you will enjoy learning with me. So let's start the quiz. The resolution of the human naked eye is 1 millimeter, 1 micrometer, 1 nanometer or 1 centimeter. Now what's the resolution? Resolving power is the ability of eye or an optical instrument to differentiate between the 2 points or the lines. Here the resolving power of the human naked eye is 1 millimeter. And if we take the term megapixel, it's 576 megapixel of the human eye. Our next question is, cell membrane is chemically composed of proteins 10 to 20%, 20 to 30%, 40 to 50% or 60 to 80%. So the cell membrane is composed of 60 to 80% of the proteins and 20 to 40% of the lipids, and other carbohydrate, cholesterol are also present in the cell membrane. Cell wall is secreted by protoplasm, nucleoplasm, Golgi complex or ribosomes. So cell wall is the outermost boundary of the plant cell and in some bacteria. Cell wall is made up of the cellulose in plants and murein in bacteria and chitin in fungi. Its right answer is protoplasm because it is secreted by protoplasm, which is the living part of the cell. It means nucleus plus cytoplasm. Chitin is found in cell wall of algae, bacteria, fungi or plants. So chitin is a chemical that is present in the cell wall of the fungi. Plant cell wall is made up of cellulose and bacteria is made up of peptidoglycan, or we can say the murein. The fluid which surrounds the thylakoid is called matrix, stroma, cytoplasm or cytosol. What are thylakoid? Thylakoid membranes are the flattened sacs that are present in the plaster of the plants. It is surrounded by a fluid called stroma. The thylakoid and stroma collectively perform the functions of the photosynthesis, which is the most important function of plant to prepare its food. Ribosomal RNA are synthesized in and stored in nucleolus, mitochondria, nucleus or chloroplast. Ribosomal RNA is the RNA that is present in ribosomes. Because nucleolus are the factories of ribosome, so we can say that ribosomal RNA is manufactured in nucleolus. And nucleolus is the spot that is present in nucleus. Attachment of the two subunits of the ribosome is controlled by potassium, calcium, sodium or magnesium. The metal ion interact to hold the ribosomal subunits together is magnesium. Magnesium controls the attachment of the subunits of the ribosome. There are two subunits, small and a large subunit. Golgi apparatus is concerned with the cell division, lysis, secretion or storage. So very simple answer. Golgi apparatus is concerned with cell secretions. All the secretions and packaging of the materials that are coming from endoplasmic reticulum is done by Golgi apparatus. So secretion is the right answer. Next question is, cyclosis and the amoeboid movements are because of microfilaments, microtubules, intermediate filaments or none of these. Now what is the cyclosis or amoeboid movements? These are the internal cell movements, internal organelles movement etc., and it is controlled by the microfilaments. Microtubules help in the assembly and disassembly of the spindles during mitosis. Eukaryotes have pores per nucleus. Nuclear membrane have many pores that allow the movement of the material between the nucleus and the cytoplasm. There are 30,000 in the egg cell. In eukaryotes, ribosomes are assembled in nucleus, cytoplasm, nucleolus or endoplasmic reticulum. Its right answer is nucleolus. Chromoplasts impart color to the plant other than green, yellow, purple or blue. Chromoplast is one of the type of plastid that give bright colors to the petals and the fruit like yellow, pink, red, orange, etc. that helps in pollination. So here answer is green. The protein present in microtubule is actin, tetrosis, tubulin or the tropomyosin. Microfilaments are made up of actin protein and microtubules are made up of tubulin, like its name. Glyoxysomes are the most abundant in human blood, plant seedling, liver cells, or microorganisms. Glyoxysomes are the organelles that are present only in the plant cell. So we can say that they are present in plant seedling and they have enzymes that that helps in the catabolism of the stored food like lipids etc. that are stored in seedling. So they help to get energy from the stored food. Cell wall of the bacteria has a special chemical called cellulose, chitin, murein or cutin. So cell wall of bacteria is made up of murein as we already described it. Murein is a chemical that is made up of glycogen and protein etc. A chromosome is composed of DNA, RNA, ATP or NAD. Chromosome is composed of DNA which is hereditary material, thread-like structure. It condenses and forms a structure called chromosome. The number of chromosomes in the sperm of Drosophila is 8, 23, 4 or 6. Remember, there are 8 chromosomes present in the Drosophila and here we are talking about the sperm. Sperm have the half number of chromosomes. So the right answer will be 4. The number of chromosomes in the sperm of the Drosophila are 4. Next question is same. The number of chromosome in fruit fly Drosophila. Now we are talking about the total number of chromosome and total number of chromosomes are 8 and when we talk about any germline cell it will be 4 like in sperm cell or egg cell. Cristae are found in Golgi complex, chloroplast, endoplasmic reticulum or mitochondria. Cristae are the enfoldings of the inner membrane of the mitochondria. They help out in increasing the surface area of the mitochondria so more cellular respiration takes place and more ATP production as a result. Plastids are present only in bacteria, animal cells, viruses or plant cells. Plastids are the double membrane organelles that are responsible for photosynthesis and they are present only in plant cells. So right answer is plant cell. I hope the quiz will be very useful for you as I described each and every question in detail so you can remember it for a longer time. So if you like the video then subscribe the channel and check out for the latest updates. Thanks for watching. Take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.